Once upon a time, a powerful queen ruled the kingdom with fear and cruelty. Villagers lived in hoping that one day their nightmare would end. When the king spoke against the queen's cruelty, she feared losing control. To silence him, she imprisoned him deep beneath the castle, where no one could hear his voice.
Princess Elena discovered the truth. She learned that her father had been imprisoned.
The queen is the one who put him in the dungeon.
Refusing to accept injustice, Princess Elena gathered loyal friends and advisors. Together, they created a clever plan to reveal the queen's crimes to the entire kingdom. Before the entire kingdom, Princess Elena revealed the truth. One by one, witnesses came forward. The queen's lies were exposed, and the people finally saw her true nature.
With the queen defeated, Princess Elena hurried to the dungeon. At last, the prison doors opened, and the king was reunited with his daughter.
The kingdom rejoiced as peace returned. The king ruled with kindness once again, and Princess Elena became a symbol of courage and hope.
And so, the evil queen's reign came to an end. The kingdom was saved, and Princess Elena's in generations to come. Truth and courage will always defeat injustice.